Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Toothless dancing meme. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes with 2 ovals. And now let's move inside and let's draw another one in the center. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's hop between the eyes and let's draw a curve across for the mouth. And then another one underneath. Now on top of the mouth, let's draw 2 angled curves for the nostrils. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the top of the head. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a curve up and bring it in. Then let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve across. And then a bump up on both sides to fill in the gap. Lastly, let's add the pattern on the head by drawing 3 small black ovals going down the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 lines down, angling it slightly to the right. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's draw an angle up and out on both sides. And then bring it up from the top. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw another angled line out. Bring it up again. And then close off the tops with a line across. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and out. And then from the right side, let's draw a shorter curve down. Now from the bottom left, let's curve it in. And then a curve up and in on the right. And now let's connect them with a curve up. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now on the right side, let's add the tail. Let's start on the bottom right, right above the leg, and let's draw an angled line up. And another one above it. Now for the ends, let's bring it upwards, coming to a point. And now at the top, let's draw a bump out to the right and a shorter one underneath. And that's it for Toothless dancing. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!